Expecting high performance from unmotivated employees is a fantasy. Motivation means acting with inner drive to achieve a goal, not external pressure, but energy from within. NASA put it perfectly. We don't motivate, we choose carefully. Motivation begins with putting the right person in the right role. Motivation is personal. What drives one person may not drive another. Salary may push one, recognition may inspire another. Motivation shows in behavior, performance growth is its clearest sign. Motivation theories fall into two groups: content theories and process theories. Content theories focus on inner needs. Process theories explain how behavior is sustained. Inner factors are needs like security and belonging. External factors are rewards like bonuses and promotions. Maslow says, without meeting basic needs, creativity won't flourish. Job insecurity kills innovation. Herzberg sees salary and work conditions as the foundation, but true motivation comes from achievement and recognition. A good paycheck keeps you, but promotion excites you. McClelland adds, some are driven by achievement, some by power, some by relationships. Entrepreneurs thrive on goals, managers on authority, social workers on team bonds. Erg theory simplifies existence, relatedness, growth. First secure income, then value relationships, then pursue career growth. Bottom line. Motivation isn't one size fits all. What sparks one person may mean nothing to another. Starting motivation isn't enough, it must be sustained. That's where process theories step in. Rewarded behavior repeats, bonuses spark effort again. Punishment reduces behavior, like late employees becoming punctual after warnings. Vroom's expectancy theory says motivation rises when effort is believed to lead to reward. If I try, I'll get results. Equity theory shows people compare effort and reward. I worked harder but got the same reward, kills motivation. Goal setting theory says tough goals boost motivation. Easy tasks don't excite, but challenging projects do. Process theories remind us, motivation is shaped not just by needs, but by rewards, fairness, and goals. Motivation is personal and visible in behavior. Internal factors, needs, and external factors, rewards, processes, work together. Maslow, Herzberg, McClelland, and Erg form the content theories. Vroom, equity, and goal setting form the process theories. Conditioning explains reward and punishment. For managers, motivation means choosing the right person and creating the right environment. Knowing motivation isn't one size fits all means building different strategies for different employees. Organizational success depends on balancing internal and external motivation. What drives workplace motivation most? Security, rewards, or challenging goals? Subscribe now. Let's explore the journey together.